Hi QC people, welcome to this video. This video is about Cognizant, Selenium and Java real interview questions for 1 to 5 years. Testing section. The first question is why testing is needed for software applications. So we need to explain the software application needs of testing. So why we need manual testing, why we need automation testing, performance testing, those things we need to explain in detail. Automation testing questions. So first question is what are the automation testing tools you are aware of? You need to explain what are the tools you are aware of, like Selenium, uh, robot framework. Those things you need to explain here. Apache JMeter, APM, like that you need to explain for this question. Second one is do you have knowledge on Postman? So if you have knowledge on Postman, you need to explain how the basic things are happening in the Postman, how a call is happening, how a get call is working, like that. The third question is how to make basic authentication in Postman. So usually we will have a username and password set of things for getting the authentication purposes in Postman. Through that only we make the basic calls. Fourth one is how to execute a get call in Postman. So we have the options for get calls and we can give the basic authentication and the URL. Through that we can execute this function, and the same thing is happening for post call also. And for the post call we need to supply the needed payloads that are requested for this call. We need to give all those required things in the post call to make the post call happen. So it will insert data, or it will get more data based on the payload you have given. Manual testing questions. First one is how you verify test case as pass or fail. Based on the expected output versus the actual output, we can make it a pass or fail. Second, the test case documents. So usually we have different set of documents which will be usually in Excel sheet or the Word documents based on the company's profile, or some companies will maintain separate software for that. So in that we will put different bills, different version documents, and we can evaluate based on the customer needs. Selenium questions. So first question is what is XPath in Selenium? So XPath is usually used to navigate the web page. The structure of the web page we can easily navigate through XPath. So based on the XPath only they asked all the questions in this Selenium interview, because this project is using a XPath a lot. Second one is what is absolute relative XPath. Third one is what are the types of XPath locators. Fourth one is what is chained XPath in Selenium. Fifth one is what are XPath access. Sixth one is is it possible to select elements based on their position in a list using XPath. Java questions. First one is what is a volatile variable? A volatile variable is used during the thread lifecycle duration. So it is available during only the thread lifecycle period. After that the values will be elapsed, so you can use this volatile variable during the time. Second one is what are the commonly used methods of thread classes. So we have methods like many methods here, sleep, run, many methods are there, so you need to explain. Third question is about that only. What are sleep, run, stop, block, suspend, block on IO, wait, notify all, and resume methods. So we need to explain all these methods with a good examples. Fourth one is what is runnable interface. So runnable interface is, instead of going for the thread class, extending a thread class, we can implement runnable interface in order to extend another class. So we can use the run method to execute the thread. That's around questions. So first one is how you collaborate with your team members. So these things you need to answer from our own knowledge. So how you collaborate with your development team? Are you interested in deployments? Fourth one is explain your career and testing. The career and testing is like tell about yourself. So you need to explain our career experiences. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Testing Labs here to Z.